So here's the valet area, Mandalay Bay. And when you park or come in on a taxi or whatever it is you do, you go through this entrance here. This is called the beach level, because this is the level in which you go to the pools and all that stuff. But to get into the hotel lobby and whatnot, you go up here. I mean, I could take the elevator, but I'll just take the escalator, because they got these fountains turned on. I wanted to see them anyway. Last night the fountain wasn't going. I just think it's a really nice entrance. See, right out there is the valet. And then you just continue up. And that gets you on the casino level and the hotel lobby. House of Blues is here too. Off to the right there. Last night they had these guys dueling pianos. It was pretty cool. Right here. This foundation room last night was packed with a line to get in it on a Friday night. Anyway, here, I guess this is another entrance. And this is the check-in, hotel check-in area. Anyway, there you go. Check-in area, Mandalay Bay.